Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Monday 25th of December, Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of you, and hope my voice is clear. Yeah, okay. So a bit of going to explain Bitcoin, and then I will pick those alts which everyone commented on Twitter. So we will check out all things quickly. Bitcoin, simple. Two, three ranges are playing, and this chip chop I already mentioned why it is going to happen. So one range, this is our first range. So yesterday night we dropped in it. Now see, this is H4 decisive candle. If it closes below, then we are going down because we have beautiful equal lows here. So we are waiting for this, probably might get filled out sooner or later, these one. So yes, till then we have higher highs creating on Bitcoin, uh, higher high, again higher high. So this one is our total demand zone. Yesterday night tapped. Now let's see how this H4 closes. If it closes above range high, that would be good. So we might see a continuation towards these levels. The three tap level, this one. So one tap, second tap swept. Now retest time. It tried but didn't. So yes, this demand is mitigated now. Filled a fair value gap here. So this might be a target. Now if I see this, the only structure of Bitcoin here. Let me zoom in on H1. So we had a range developed on H1 here, and we like 2 3 days we stayed in this range. Now again price came back to this range. Let's see if it holds here, but I don't think so it will hold. It might came down a bit and then start moving up, but technically if I see a structure wise, highs are taken out here, and structure shifted here. Yes, internal structure shifted here. These created a small order blocks, and again if I see this whole zone is at my resistance zone, I will mark this whole zone as resistance zone. And clear order block, if I see that structure shifted here, so this will be my clear order block zone here. I will mark it as red. So lower low is created, now lower high is testing here. So it might get fake out here, that tabbed here beautifully and rejected. So we might see it slowly bleeding towards downside. I think markets are closed today because of Christmas. Let me check. Yes, gold is closed, NQ closed, so there will be no volume. We might chop between here. So yes, Bitcoin, what I'm expecting a quick drawdown towards here. A good RR trade it is. So yes, as consolidations breakdown again took a support from H4 order block, then rejecting from H1 order block, previously tested, now again testing. Let's see if in F15, like if price came down a bit and then go sweep high and then shift structure here. That might be our beautiful entry here somewhere, and stop will be here. So we might target this wick. So 2 3 hour trade that will be. Okay, that is Bitcoin lower time frame structure. How it will, I'm looking at it. Now I will slowly go towards alts because alts are interesting than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is consolidating here. First one is our LDO. LDO, okay. LDO. This is my trade. I gave it to the Discord. This is just because it seems like it kind of inverted head and shoulder. Left shoulder, head, and then right shoulder. We have neckline here. So might be a retest of neckline and then go towards the target will be much higher, but I'm targeting weekly, some kind of weekly here. Yes, this weekly BSL level or SSL level, whatever it is. So entry is based upon lower time frame structure shift here. Higher high, the new high created here structure, and we had a beautiful demand created here. Specifically, if I marked order block here, that would be okay. Internet is fucked up. That will be this one. So, yes, we can take entry here until DCA down and beautiful. Look at these lows swept and then pumped. Now, again, come down here to give me some entry. I will look at for DCA level if needed, and I will target above here. That is 2.27 hour trade. It might take some time. Let's see. This is first one LDO. Why I'm like taking it. I'm just explaining here. This is your beautiful SR flip zone. So yes, the reason behind LDO trade is this one. Now second altcoin. Let me check. I didn't add it. Okay, APT OP USDT. Why I'm watching altcoins? This is just because of if you saw my previous video on Friday I uploaded, I think, or on Saturday. I gave you a few conditions on total three Bitcoin dominance and on Bitcoin. So we were waiting for Bitcoin dominance to close weekly above 470 billion. So it closes very good. This look at this candle. So yes, there is a huge fair value gap up here. So if we catch some alts, so and if it goes towards like 580 or 560 billion, that will be quickly. It will go quickly, and few alts will run very hard. That is the reason why I'm watching altcoins. So here it is OP weekly candle good closer. Look at that last week candle. And this is on daily. Okay, it almost retested this zone. So the retest is already done. Retest 10 here, higher high again created, beautiful demand is here. Okay, this is beautiful demand, and I will see. So it is almost in that OTE, in my OTE. So hold here and go up again. First target will be this one, and second, whatever you want to do. This will be your first target. Stops are clear. Stops will be below here. So, and if gives this entry here, that will be, I will be interesting here. I will take interest here. That is good. Good. That will be a good trade. Okay. Let's find probabilities if we had a probability to of price to come here or not. Okay. H1, if I see that price created higher high, came back down here and created a bit of no range. Price came down higher low, structure shifted here. Okay, and it created H1 demand here. Let me find H2. Okay, H2 will be good, this zone. And structure also shifted here, this one internally, then yes. And we had FEG, unfilled FEG is also here. So yes, if price came down to this level here, I will take a bit of wide stop here. And okay, that's entry zone. This FEG is our entry zone. We can take entry here. And stops are clear below here. So this is our second coin. 3.2691. You can mark with yourself on your charts. So whoever asked for OP, OP is doing good. And yes, it related to game coin. I think it is also related to game coin. So game coins, I'm expecting all those coins which are associated with games, they might fly. They might fly. Yes. Okay, liquidity is also building up here. So good conditions are creating here. Quick liquidity draw here and then go up. So that looks amazing to me. OP. Okay, another confluence is matching. So OP is OP. OP looks OP. Next coin, what is it? Let me check. Let's is Bonk or meme. Meme coin, I think meme trade is given in Discord. So I will not check meme. Bonk. Bonk, there is a time. Okay, APT, ARB, Aptos, ARB near it. APT, let me check APT first. This guy is asking for those coins which are already popping up. Yes, some kind of news or what? This should be the target here. So if it goes first here, then the structure will be invalidated. Then we will look into this range here. But before going to that zone, if it gives an entry, let's see how this H4 closes here. H3, H4 in 2 hours. So we will have once H4 closes. So we will like this might be a top of this H4. So a beautiful we have demand created here on EPT Aptos, and structure is bullish. Target is also here. Why I mark this target? Because this is BSL here or sell side liquidity SSL on weekly. So if let me check this shit. So it is also here. Beautiful demand is here on APT also. So we might take this. What is this here? So a pullback on APT is also good. Stops here below these wicks in this zone. So hold here and that will be your target zone. So APT is also looking juicy by the way. OP first coin. This is also looking good. But it is going up for now. Let me check lower time frame. No, it is straight going up. So it will come down. There is no single red candle of M15 here in last 75,000 candles. So it will come down. It will retest. So wait for it. Wait for retest. Bidding blindly is a gamble and we are traders. So APT. If it goes straight here, it took this liquidity, then this idea will be invalidated. But if it comes down from somewhere here, it put up our entry, then this will be your target. APT done. Near near USDT dot be near. Most people were shelling it, but it is already up from my entries. I don't know why I marked this zone, but it is working very nice and it is creating higher highs, higher high, new high, new high. Oh, so this kind of shit when happened, it means it will dip hard because when new high created demand didn't tap, demand didn't tap. Now there is this demand. Let's see if it will came here to test this or not. So if it came here, then it will be okay, it will be good. But if it's going like this, it will fill these demand in 1 week. Like we saw previously that prices were going up, and when it dumped, it straight dumped to these demand, filled all demands, and then straight up. So it will happen like this on near. Right now, if a scalp, I see a kind of range here. Mm, So is it a valid range or not? Let me check. M15. This range is creating. Okay, highs taken out equal high spending. These are the targets. Good one. Equal highs and lows are always a target. These are not entries. Some people use it for entries, but these are for targets. So equal highs, structure bullish, order block tapped. This done. Again, it came down. So it might reject here. It might reject here. So near will be in my red list, and what I am going to do with it is how I will trade it. It will not go. I don't think so. It will go for equal highs first. It will do something like this. Go fill this FPG, reject, slowly coming down, 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 and this. It will do like this. So I will be interested in it. Came down here, fill these FPGs, a quick round up here, give BOS test, and then I will target this. So that's my that will be my quick and rough plan for what we say for near for now. Structure shifted here. Yes, rejecting here. It might test 705 level. It might test. I don't know why, but it might test. Let's see. It is down. So a small short scalp can be done here, but that is risky because of these equal highs. These equal highs are pending here. So it might shoot up to take out these equal highs. But for now, it is rejecting from 0.618 level. And this is your bearish order block. This one. So this 705 is aligning with order block. So it might test this and then come down. So I will only be interested in it if it deviates below range low, reclaim with BOS or MSB. That will be entry zone and that will be a quick target. So near I will operate on it like this. Near is interesting, but it will take some time. Okay. Another is FTM. FTM, last time I gave it, no one took this trade. Thank you for not taking the trades which I give on. This one, no one took. No one. Just go to my previous video. I have marked this range. And last week I gave this trade. This one. Price was somewhere here. So I thought it will came to test mid-range once because this was a deviation. After deviation, we didn't test it. So stops were I provided stops here. Target was this one and it done. 34-35%. So FTM, the range which I was watching is almost range high stacked. So new week first day is going on. Let's see how daily will close here. Then we'll decide if price stabilizes above these zones. Then I will be interested in it. Otherwise, I'm not interested in it. Not taking any interest because of this range high. So stabilizes above here. That means we have this fucking empty space up here. We have our first level. I will mark this one. And then we had these levels. This resistance. So yes. Stabilize above here, we are going up. Otherwise, we are at range high, so no interest. FTM done. Sealer. Injective, what is Injective is doing? Injective is doing good, bros and throws. Okay, I took this trade personally. Tab higher highs were creating, slowly coming down. I missed these orders which I placed on this demand. Then these order tapped here. This was on M30, I think. Yes, on M30. Beautiful structure shifted here. A trend line support. Beautifully retested here. My target was these highs of 4.5 something R. So after that, I'm looking same at this level. I don't know it will came down or not, but I don't think so it will came down. So these are the targets again. Injective. A simple one trend line with matching of market structure. If price came down here like this, slowly it came here and it gives quick reaction like this. So it means that a quick long for you guys. If you are missing these kind of longs, then leave trading. Okay, render same shift going on with render. This is your demand. Internal structure shifted here. So this demand is also very good. What is the target? Target is all-time high, new all-time high. So when you don't have a target, then you just simply target your recent highs. This one. So render is also same like injective. Woo. I marked this coin I have in my red list just because I'm trading these coins. These are the only coins which are giving good volatility, going straight up, no dump. They are not infected by Bitcoin. So that's why I'm looking at it. Who didn't give entry yet? It might come down. It came up here, didn't test it 618, so yet no structure forming. GTO. GTO is Harami coin. It is taking time. I long here on reclaim of this, but then stopped out on break even and it is not sustaining above. Another trend line liquidity is building up here. So might be a quick scalp on GTO to reclaim, retest and bang. This is a target. Invalidation is this one. So you mark like this candle low here, and here is a trend line liquidity close up. If H1 closes healthy here, next H1 will be a retest candle. So you have to put limit somewhere here, and might be a DCA if it that was a fake out, so you can DCA and then later you can get out on break even. So this is your what we say invalidation point, and target is this one. And if this breakout happened, look at this one. These are the targets. So GTO, GMT. I don't know why I marked GMT. Consolidation happened. AMD, accumulation, manipulation, and now distribution. I missed it. I didn't check. Okay, Sealer. Okay, Sealer. This coin is also from my last week when I gave arts analysis. This is also the one which I provided here. And price was here somewhere. Then it came down to this level, just above our stop, and now it is going up slowly. Target is same this one. It is up like 25-27%. Fetch AI FET. Okay, it is also this. We had this level and we have a beautiful internal structure is shifted. If it's this liquidity is also generating here. So it might take this liquidity first to reload and then go up towards this level. So fetch FET is also looking good here. Matic Matic did not catching a bid, I don't know why. Same range from last week. It tested beautifully this range here, range low and mid range, and this is the final target. So consolidation, few H4 closes above mid range will be a good target. Good market order target stops will be here, and that will be your target. Matic is going good. So another is Doggy. Doggy, I am not watching Doggy. I have analysis on it, but it is not moving like good. Pith. Pith is good. PYTH. These are the two levels. So it is trading in between these two levels. It is good above this level and very good above this level. So if breakout here confirmed like H4 closes good above here, so retest our current market price will be your target, and this is that will be your target. Current market price will be your trigger. So Pith is also looking sexy, and if someone wants to take like can do scalps here, so these are two levels here. Wait for these level to come here, and if it is showing some strength, long target this, and if it is showing some weakness, short target this, but I will not recommend any shorting. Short is your own service. Longs will be good, but shorts I don't like, so that they will work. DYDX, same range low, consolidation, tap, constantly rejecting from this level. KSM, I don't know, I sold KSM 50. Yesterday tap 64. I bought it at 34 here. I bought KSM at 34. I had some news, internal news. So few big ones were buying, so they told me to buy it. I said okay. So I bought at 34 and I sold at 51.7. Then it moved up quickly. KSM is not behaving. Okay, another coin. Let me check quickly. PYR. PYR, I think, broke out. It tapped. Yes. PYR was holding this trend line and it tapped. These were the targets. Let's see how PA develops a bit because it is going up. So not time to bid. Let it consolidate a bit above these levels. Or might come back to test this level at least. This one. This is a proper SR level. So test here. A small demand is also here in. So this which is 7.384 will be a good zone. So I will consider this if it can came down to retest here and it consolidate a bit here, then again go up. So this is PYRKAS. Which coin is this one, buddy? It is a Maxi. Maxi it is. KES. Here it is it is on demand. It's on demand right now. And yes, it is in OTE. So let me check now. H4. There is not a clear structure break yet. Give a clear structure break here. Some kind of this, then retest. You can long and then you target these highs. Another one is Zep. Which is this coin? ZEP USDT. Another maxi shit. Okay. Slowly bleeding. Slowly bleeding. Slowly bleeding. It's slowly bleeding, but if it lose this line, it will bleed then fast. So same goes with I didn't traded these maxi shits, but you can a bit of structure shift here, a strength if you observe, then you can buy it. And if it break out here, it will go up. These are the targets. Okay, any other coin? MDT injective done if atom. If let me check if spot chart I'm looking at. The promising coin I shorted. Oh, daily. It is range. I don't think so. It looks promising, to be honest. Structure good. This is daily demand candle here. This whole is of a daily demand. Where is H4? H4 demand is here below this zone at range low. Right now is it's above mid range. It is good for continuation. If it came down here, then range low, and we will wait for this kind of deviation and retest. So until unless it is above mid range, it is good. Which one was another coin? Board. Okay, battery saver is on. Let me plug in into charge. Wait a second, guys. Yes. Okay. Another one is Atom. How to trade this coin? Look at this coin. These candles. Then it gives clear structure break here with a beautiful demand. A beautiful retest on OT. Good one. So basically this is the target. This is the target here on Atom, and those who longed here, they are holding. Those who took long in this zone, they build their position, they are holding, and they will exact up here. So how to catch them now? Structure again shifted, and again demand created. It might test this demand. I don't know. Small liquidity creating here. So it might test this demand. I don't know. It might go up straight, might not. But this is your target. If you saw any proper clear entry in it, you can take and target this zone. Okay, next is okay, injective. Yes, injective is looking great. It is going up, and once it done, any other coin with C98. I will check C98 and then it will be our last one. Hmm. Straight away mark demand here. Straight away. No if and buts and that's. But okay, we are sitting, just look at this. We are sitting where we are sitting on C98 on bed. Long term hold. If this coin didn't die, then buys in spot here and forget about for next year. For these targets might be a good run like 5x, and it is almost at 10x will be give if it didn't die. So invest that money which you don't want to lose it. That one $50 or $100 if someone wants. It's a financial advice, by the way. People say it's not financial advice. I will say it's a financial advice. But for short term, this OTE matched with this fair value gap looks interesting. If it gives some kind of entry here, there, stops will be below here. Yes, they will be. Stops are clear. Stops here, not here. Will be your stop, and you will target this one. It might came down to test this low, sweep this low, and then go slowly up. It will take time, C98. XRP, someone asked me about XRP. I in previous video I explained this shit coin. But right now this shit coin giving me a good vibe. This one. This look at this demand. Test here, stops here, and we might run till here. But if you want to see, look at, just click on the previous video. I have explained about Solana, XRP, Injective, and Bitcoin. That FTM motherfucker, what's his name? Sam Beckman, right? So his $14 billion are placed in these three coins. So when he sold, everything will be dumped, and it will dump hard. So Bitcoin, what happened to Bitcoin till now? Let me check. No structure shift yet. Highs are pending. It has, if these highs were taken out here with this wick, and it has given me a structure shift here, that's a shit beautiful short trade. That should be a good trade here. But these highs are pending, so wait. When these highs taken out, and after highs taken out, if you saw a structure shift, that will give a good trade, short trade, a small scalp till here. So yes, okay guys, I didn't check Ethereum. Okay, there, yes, in Discord in chat we discussed this idea. This was the liquidity. I'm watching it. Look at this wick. I first took it here and exit it here. Then it jumped. Now again up. So same idea, this liquidity came down a bit more. Come here for this liquidity, man. Ethereum is also like, let me remove everything. Structure wise, this was our beautiful order block tested. Then again new. Oh, so this might be a sweep here, then reclaim and then down. Might not be sweep, but for now, it's an OT. It is rejecting from OT. So we might see a dump in it. Might not be, but Ethereum is behaving like a fucking, I don't know. It's not giving us a good structure here. But when Ethereum start catching up, it will go very good. It will give us beautiful scalps. So waiting for that. Okay, guys, I think I have done almost 10 to 12 charts. If you like any of those, mark with yourself and execute it. And hope all charts played out accordingly. The trade which I have placed bids, which one was that? I didn't remember. LDO. On LDO, my bids are placed here. So I will wait for LDO. Hopefully, it didn't front run me. It came here like this. The beautiful. Look at this. When you saw green candle like this and red like this, it means buying pressure is here. Someone is buying. No one is selling. So why it is coming down like this? Because the orders which are missed, they want to fill these orders. So when these orders are filled, you will see again this kind of candles. Then again slow bleed and gone. But if blue candles are like this small and red are like this, don't long that. Don't long that shit because it will give you heart attack at the end. So ending my video here. Thank you for tuning till end. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe the channel and like the video if you like. And if you have any query, comment in below. I will try to come give proper answer of it in next video. Thank you for tuning till the end. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.